from ENTC department. Let us see the second page replacement technique, that is optimal page replacement algorithm. That is, discovery of Belladis anomaly leads to search for an optimal page replacement algorithm, which is simple, that which yields the lowest of all possible page fault and which does not suffer from Belladis anomaly. Optimal page replacement algorithm which does not suffer from Belladis anomaly. This is such an algorithm that does not exist and is called OPT or min. This algorithm is simply so replace the page that will not be used for the longest time in the future. So now consider the string with 3 empty frames. The reference to page 2, that replace page 7 because 7 will not be used until reference 15. This reference string is given here, which we already used in FIFO page replacement algorithm. So the reference to page 2, that replace page 7 because 7 will not be used until reference 15, whereas page 0 will be used at 5 and page 1 at 14. The reference to page 3 replace page 1 as page 1 will be the last of the 3 pages in memory to be referenced again. So optimal replacement is much better than first in first out. That reference string is given, for example 70120304230321201701. Using 3 frame technique we have to solve that. So 7 we put it in first frame, 0 is second, 1 is in third frame, buffer is full. Whenever you put the value 2, that time you replace 7th one, so 2 0 1 as it is. So 0 we already put it here, that is present in the buffer, so that is hit the page. Then we go for 3, so 1 is replaced the third one, so 2 0 3 is there, 0 is already for present here, so that 0 is hit the page. Then we go for fourth one. So in optimal page replacement we always check forward direction, so whenever you put the 4 in that frame, in that case 2 is already present in the buffer, so 0 is not required recently, so replace 0 by 4, so 2 4 3 is there, 3 is already present in the buffer, so 3 is hit the page. Then go for 0, so whenever you put it 3, that time you again check forward direction, 3 and 2 is already present in the buffer, so replace fourth one, so 2 0 3 is there. Then go for 3 is already present in the buffer, so 3 hit the page, 2 is also hit the page. Then put it 1, whenever you put it 1 in that page, in that frame, so 1 replace 3, then 2 is already present, so 2 hit the page, 0 is also hit the page, 1 is also hit the page. Then after that 7 is replaced 2, so 7 0 1, 0 is already present in the frame, so 0 is hit the page, 1 is again hit the page. So here number of hits are 0 3 0, then 2 3, so 3 2, then 0 1 and 0 1, like that. So unfortunately optimal cannot be implemented the practice because it requires foretelling the future, but it makes a nice benchmark for the comparison and evaluation of real proposed new algorithms. In practice, most page replacement algorithm try to approximate optimal that page replacement OPT by predicting or estimating in one fashion or another what page will not be used for the longest period of time. So the basis of FIFO is the prediction that the page that was brought in the longest time ago is the one that will not be needed again for the longest future time. But as we shall see, there are many other prediction methods are there, so all striving to match the performance of optimal. The optimal page replacement algorithm is difficult to implement because it requires future knowledge of the reference string. That's all. Thank you.